Solana price prediction as SOL dips 5% to $66. Can SOL regain its all-time high? Disclosure: crypto is a high-risk asset class. This article is provided for informational purposes and does not constitute investment advice. By using this website, you agree to our terms and conditions. We may utilize affiliate links within our content and receive commission. The Solana price has dipped by 5% today as traders take profits following a bullish couple of weeks for the altcoin. At $66, SOL remains up by only a modest 0.5% in the past week, yet it has still risen by 7% in a fortnight and by 12% in a month. And with the token recording a 400% gain in the last 12 months, it remains one of the best performing major tokens of 2023. Such performance will likely continue into 2024, with Solana growing as a platform and the market set for a new bull rally. Solana price prediction as SOL dips 5% to $66. Can SOL regain its all-time high? SOL has taken a big hit today, and its chart and indicators reflect this. Most notably, its RSI purple has dropped from just over 70 a week ago to around 55 today, and its recent direction would suggest that more price declines could be coming in the shorter term. SOL's 30-day average yellow potentially backs up this fear, given that it has been much higher than the 200-day average blue since the end of October, implying that a correction is due. This possibility aside, SOL's more general position continues to look pretty good, with its support level green holding up very well over the past month or so. Similarly, its trading volume still registers at the $2.4 billion, dwarfing the low levels, for example, between $200 million and $300 million recorded in September and early October. As such, it's credible to argue that SOL remains in a growth phase and that after today's dip, it will return to rallying. On the one hand, crypto is likely to enter a bull market from next year, with Bitcoin ETF approvals and an increasingly dovish Federal Reserve likely to be the two main factors in price rises. On the other hand, Solana itself has been experiencing steady growth as a platform in 2023, boosting demand for SOL. Solana has flawlessly sustained 100% uptime for almost 9 consecutive months. What was once a joke is now hardly a valid argument. Those hating on $Sol will find themselves left behind as it continues to dominate in the bull market. Pick Twitter.com/QZJ on 3 Bucket Sandbar. Yo at SOL Buckets November 21, 2023. Its total value locked in has risen by more than 300% this year, while it has also recorded 100% for more than 9 months after a difficult 2022 characterized by outages. On top of this, weekly fund inflows have often favored SOL in recent weeks more than any other token bar Bitcoin, pointing to rising demand. CoinShares reports that its Solana continues to be the second largest asset by inflows on a YTD basis. This week, Bitcoin saw $154.7 million inflows, Solana saw $13.6 million inflows, Ethereum saw $3.3 million inflows. Pick Twitter.com/UOMZOR for TRP. Step Data Insights at Step Data Insight November 20, 2023. As such, the Solana price is ready to continue rising again in the next few weeks, potentially reaching $100 within the first few weeks of 2024. Alternative altcoins for market-beating gains. One issue with SOL is that it's arguable that it may have to suffer for a few weeks before growing again, given just how heavily traders have been buying it in recent weeks. For this reason, traders looking for big gains in the shorter term may have to research alternatives, with Presail tokens being one of the best sources of above-average profits in 2023. And one of the biggest presails happening right now is Bitcoin ETF token BTC, a deflationary ERC20 cryptocurrency that has raised $3.6 million in a matter of weeks. Unveiling how BTC not only readies for the Bitcoin ETF influx, but also grants staking incentives, bolstering network resilience and reliability. Pick Twitter.com/SBJZoneQILTT. BTC token at BTC token December 8, 2023. What makes Bitcoin ETF token interesting to investors is that it plans to burn 25% of its max supply to 1 billion BTC over time. This will be achieved through 5 separate burns of 5% of its supply, with each burn set to coincide with important milestones in the development of Bitcoin ETFs and/or Bitcoin itself. For instance, it will burn its first 5% when a Bitcoin ETF gains a trading volume of $100 million for the first time, while the last burn will come when the BTC price reaches $100,000. On top of this, holders of the coin will also be able to stake it, thereby earning themselves a passive income. IMG equals https://com/roman6/id/hq default. JPG alt equals width equals 480. Height equals 360. Iframe title equals this BTC ETF ecosystem could 10x your money. Width equals 640, height equals 360, src equals https://www.youtube.com/embed/farm3gb atwo-rm, feature equals frame border equals 0, allow equals accelerometer, autoplay, clipboard write, encrypted media, gyroscope, picture-in-picture, web share, allow full screen /iframe. Buyers can join the pre-sale at the official Bitcoin ETF token website, where the token currently costs 66 cents. This will rise to 68 cents by the end of the day, yet it could rise much higher once it lists on trading platforms next year. Disclaimer: crypto is a high-risk asset class. This article is provided for informational purposes and does not constitute investment advice. You could lose all of your capital. Enter your email for our free daily newsletter, a quick 3-minute read about today's crypto news. Sign up. The site is protected by reCAPTCHA and the Google privacy policy and terms of service apply. IMG SRC equals https://simg co/p/ml300 JPEG alt equals image class equals img ID equals newsletter pop-up img.